Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Vivo X300 Pro, Vivo X300, Vivo X200 Pro or any of the Vivo and iQOO smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are stuck at the lock screen. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I am at the lock screen of my Vivo X300 Pro. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password and I'm not able to access my device. So to remove any kind of security from your smartphone, you need to go to the settings and do it from there. Or you can perform a hard reset to remove and wipe all of the security data from your device. But for that, you have to go to the settings as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from your lock screen. If you no longer remember the PIN, password, your fingerprint ID is not working, your face ID is not working, and you are just stuck at the lock screen like this. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with your Vivo or iQOO smartphone. So the very first thing you have to do is power off your device. Once the device is switched off, you need to press and hold the power button and volume up keys together. Press and hold them like this. Don't move your finger until the Vivo logo appears. Then you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing volume up until this screen appears. Now we got two options here, reboot and recovery mode, and we are inside the fast boot mode right now, as you can see. So to navigate between the options, we will have to use the volume keys, volume down to go down, volume up to go up, and power key to select it. So right now reboot option is selected. Press volume down to go to recovery mode and press the power key once. Now the device will reboot in the recovery mode. So now we are inside the recovery mode of our Vivo X300 Pro. You can see we got multiple options. One of them is the clear data. So just tap on this. Once you tap on it, you will get two options, clear cache or clear all data. So we need to go to clear all data. Just tap on that. And then at the bottom, you will get this warning message that all data on this device will be wiped out, including your contacts, albums, SMS messages, etc. and you won't be able to recover anything. So just tap on clear option here at the bottom. And then as you can see, the resetting of the device is started. It is wiping all of the data we got here on our X300 Pro. So now the data is totally wiped out. You can see the process is completed here. All you have to do is tap on return button now, and then tap on this arrow to go back to the main menu. And then here at the bottom, we got the options for switching off the device and restart. Just tap on restart, then tap on OK. Now the device will reboot, and after rebooting, we will have to go through the setup process as we did while we started using the device for the very first time. So we will go through the process, and after that we will see whether we are going to get the access back to our X300 Pro we got here or not. So as you can see, it is asking me to set up the unlock method. That means the previous one is gone. So I'm going to skip it and continue the process. So the setup is done and we are at the home screen of our Vivo X300 Pro. And as you can see, it is not asking me to enter the lock screen PIN anymore. So this is how you can remove all kind of security from your Vivo X300 Pro or any of the Vivo or iQOO smartphone to gain the access back to your device if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.